Yo, what's up homies, how y'all doing? Welcome to a new juicy video. Today I'm gonna show you how to connect a drive to your virtual machine using SSHFS. Let's begin. First, pull up to your favorite browser. In my case, it's LibreWolf, and land onto this website, WinFsp. Download WinFsp, install it alongside SSHFS, install it too. After you have done that step, open up a PowerShell window and run the following command. Net use give the disk network drive a name. In my case, once again, capital X, colon, //SSHFS. If you want to land into the directory of the user you used for the connection, you leave SSHFS just like that. If you want to start or add some specific connect to a specific directory like mount or lib or some custom directory, add .r. This lands you into the root, and from there you type the full path for the directory you want to connect to. / the host machine, and then I want to connect to MNT and press enter. Type the user name of your host machine. In my case, it's Ash, and the password. Bam! The command completed successfully. Now run the command net use check if your hard drive is recognized. See that? The command completed successfully. And there you go, fast drive connection. It is so responsive. Anyways, thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.